In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Yelp. First, open the Yelp website in your browser or launch the Yelp app on your phone. To get the most out of it, tap Login or Sign Up. Having an account lets you keep your preferences, save places for later, and quickly pick up where you left off on any device. If you're creating a new account, follow the prompts to set it up. Signing in is quick and helps your results stay consistent. Next, it's time to search. At the top, type what you're looking for. Think pizza, salon, or dentist. Be as specific as you can, like vegan pizza or children's dentist, to narrow down results. Enter the location where you want to search. On mobile, Yelp can detect your current location, but you can also type a city or neighborhood. When you're set, tap Search to see your options. To fine-tune your results, open Filters. Here you can choose rating, price, distance, and whether places are open right now. Ratings, shown by stars, help you focus on consistently well-reviewed businesses. Price is indicated by dollar signs, from budget-friendly to higher end. Distance keeps things convenient, especially if you're on foot. And Open Now is perfect when you need something immediately. Take a moment to adjust these filters so your list matches your priorities. When you find a promising option, tap the business name to open its page. This is where you can check reviews to understand what people like and where there might be trade-offs. Skim a few recent reviews to get the most current perspective. Browse photos to see the space, menu items, or service results. Look for the contact section to find a phone number or website, and confirm the hours so you know when they're operating, especially around weekends and holidays. From there, you can take action right away. Tap Call to quickly ask about availability or services. Tap Directions to open your preferred Maps app and start navigating. If the business supports it, tap Book or Reserve to secure an appointment or table without calling. For restaurants and some shops, tap Order to place pickup or delivery, and always check estimated times and any fees before confirming. Finally, if you want to revisit a place, tap Save or Bookmark. This adds the business to your saved list so you can find it later from your profile without searching again. It's a simple way to build a short list of favorites or spots you want to try soon. That's it. Open or log in, search, filter, review details, take action, and save your picks. Happy exploring with Yelp!